Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through an IEP Goal Bank. What is an IEP Goal Bank? An Individualized Education Program, or IEP Goal Banks, is a collection of pre-written goals and objectives that can be used by educators, special education professionals, and IEP teams to develop individualized goals for students with disabilities. These goals are specific to the needs of each student and are outlined in the IEP, which is a legal document that outlines the educational services, accommodations, and goals designed to meet the unique learning needs of a student with a disability. If a student's disability or medical condition requires accommodations that affect their health, healthcare professionals might need to be aware of these accommodations to provide appropriate care. For example, if a student has diabetes and requires regular blood sugar monitoring or insulin administration, healthcare providers might need to coordinate with the school to ensure that these needs are met. IEP Goal Banks can be a helpful starting point. Each student's IEP goals should be personalized to their unique strengths, weaknesses, and learning objectives. To use our free IEP Goal Banks, follow these steps. Download our IEP Goal Bank template from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. During educational sessions, consult the IEP Goal Bank to ensure a holistic approach to goal attainment. Utilize the toolkit's guidance to structure lessons, interventions, and activities that align with established objectives. Keep track of progress and noteworthy achievements. Continuously evaluate and adjust. Regularly review progress with the student and their support team. Assess the effectiveness of the strategies and interventions outlined in the toolkit. If needed, make informed adjustments to cater to new challenges or opportunities for growth. Here is a sample of our IEP Goal Bank, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our IEP Goal Bank template, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.